Recently I made incredible cake and I want to share it with you. It's like a no-bake cheesecake, but it's also like a mousse cheesecake. You have to see it for yourself and you will have to make it. So first we will be making chocolate sponge. In one bowl, you have to whip together eggs and sugar until your eggs are nice and fluffy. In a separate bowl, mix together all dry ingredients. When your eggs are whipped, start adding all other ingredients: milk, oil, your melted butter, which should be room temperature, and some vanilla for a flavor. Mix it together for a while. And now you have to sift all your dry ingredients into the eggs mixture. And mix it together. You can mix it with your mixer or with your whisk. If you're mixing it with your mixer, don't mix it too long and mix it on a slow speed. And your butter is ready. Now you need your form. You don't need to oil it or anything. Just pour your butter into the form and put it in the preheated oven for about 45-50 minutes. While our sponge is baking, let's make the cherry sauce first. You will need cornstarch, mix it with the cold water and put it aside for a while. Now I have this defrosted pitted cherries. Add sugar to it and bring it to a boil so your sugar is going to dissolve. Now pour your dissolved cornstarch into the cherries and constantly mix. Mix it until your cherries become like thick sauce and it's ready. Move it to the other bowl and cover it with the plastic wrap and keep it at the room temperature or put it in a fridge, depends when you're gonna use it. Now we're gonna make our cream cheese mousse, but first you need cream, you need tea, some leaves, I used bergamot leaf tea, and the spices, cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg. Bring it to the boil, take off the heat, cover and leave it for 15 minutes so your cream will become nice and flavorful. Meanwhile, our sponge is ready. Take it off the oven. My sponge for some reason blew up. I don't know what happened, but no matter, it's gonna be wonderful anyway. So after 15 minutes, you have to sift your aromatic cream. but you have to do it on your scales. So you have to see how much cream left after sifting, and you have to add some cream. So it needs to be the same amount cream as before. Also, you will be needing gelatin. So I had like powdered gelatin. I mix it with the cold water, and my gelatin became very stiff. And then I put it in a microwave for 10 seconds. Now my gelatin is liquid again, and I pour it in my aromatic cream. Now you need a cream cheese. Cream cheese, you have to take it out like an hour before, so it has to be, it's very important, it has to be room temperature. So first I softened with my mixer, then I added sugar, mixed it with the sugar again, then I changed my spatula to the whisk and whipped my cream cheese again. And then I started very slowly, very gingerly adding my aromatic cream, cleaning my bowl once in a while, and mixing and whipping it up until you get like you get your cream cheese one consistency. It's like liquid mousse consistency. Now I got my sponge. I cut out this top part and I divided my sponge in 2 layers. Now I've got this ring. I put foil outside just in case, so my mousse is not going anywhere, and inside I put the acetate. Now on the bottom goes 1 layer, then take bigger half of your cherry sauce and put it in the middle, push it off of the corners, and just put your sauce on the middle and pour your mousse on the top. Cover it with the second layer of the sponge, push it a little bit down, and that's it for today. It goes to the freezer overnight. Next day, take off the foil, take off the ring and acetate, and put it aside for a while. Now take some cream cheese, some sugar, whip it together, and add little by little cream, just to make your cream very soft but stable. And this is cream for decoration, and it's ready. It's very easy, as you can see. Spread it just a little bit of your cream on top of your sponge. Now I have this ring. You don't need to use it if you don't have this ring. It's just easier to put our cherry sauce in the middle. So I spread my cherry sauce in the middle, and then I put my cream in a piping bag, and I piped some decorations all around my cake. And now, guys, your amazing cake is ready. It's beautiful, it's easy to make, and it's so aromatic. Like I said, you never tried anything like that before, and I promise you, you will love it. You have to make this cake. And it does taste like a beautiful, tasty cheesecake. So keep that cake in mind, and if you need something amazing, make it. So that's it for now, and I'll see you in my next video.